How do businesses make money? Extract more money from customers than they pay out to obtain the stuff they sell. Sell products? Yours or other people's? Sell more, by working harder, at higher prices, sell more profitable items, more at a time, or more frequently, only possible if customers experience enough care to want to return, which most businesses do not, as they, like politicians and the bureaucratic sector, treat people as just a number in a numbers game. Does your shopping cart let you easily create upsells, downsells, a funnel in 2 minutes, work from your phone, with step-by-step training from top marketers? So if you are ready to build your business back better, visit bit.ly/Mintbird bit.ly/Mintbird.